today we have another video, and that video is about my look that I posted, I think, the other week or last week. So, that look is about this. So, yan nga yung sunset versus sunrise look na pinost ko last week. And then, maraming nag-respond, maraming nag-like, ganyan. And then, ang dami ding nagandahan. So, thank you so much, everyone. And then, another thing, it was reposted by Bossy Girl Cosmetics. And they featured me in their channel using that photo. And then, I got almost 6,400. Ilalagay ko naman siya dito. You can also check their Instagram account or their website. I will just put their link down below. Anyway, as you can see, diba? As you can see, and again, anyari sa kilay ko, diba? So, the other day, nagbubunot lang ako ng kilay. And then, trinay ko siyang gupitin. Kasi sobrang haba ng ibang kilay, so bumababa siya. So, trinay ko siyang gupitin. As in, sobrang, ayan, nangyari. Oh my gosh! Anyway, matatapa naman yan later. Probably, magfo-focus lang ako sa sunset ngayon. And then, sunrise sa next video na siya. If you wanna know how can I do that, just keep on watching. So, I'm gonna start with my brows first para naman matakpan na to, diba? I'm going to use ANASTASIA Beverly Hills brow pomade in soft brown. Kilay na siya ulit. And then, after that, ang concealer na ginamit ko for that look is this Makeup Revolution. This shade is in C6. I'm gonna clean up my brows first. Sasha. Ay, paubos na yung aking concealer. Yung Makeup Revolution ko na concealer. So, Makeup Revolution. Baka naman. Just baka naman, diba? Baka lang naman. So, I'm going to use the same product as base for my eyeshadow later. And then, I'm not going to set it using any powder. And then, we are now going to use the shadows that I used before. If nakita nyo yung post ko, ang ginamit kong eyeshadow is from MORPHE Cosmetics. And this is the eyeshadow that I used. And then, there are 4 eyeshadow palettes inside. So, yung Dark Magic, Armed and Gorgeous, Bling Boss, and then Ring the Alarm. But for the look that I used for the sunset look, I used Armed and Gorgeous and Bling Boss. So, let's start. It is something like this. Diyan tayo magpo-focus. So, yan yung sunset versus sunrise. And we are going to focus doing this sunset look. And this is how it looks like. Sisimula muna tayo sa Bling Boss. And this is how Bling Boss looks like. May mga shades siya ng red violet. May mga shimmer shades din siya. So, ginawa ko na yung other side ng aking eyes. And then, I started using Hush for my transition color. And then now, ginagamit ko na yung Mystic ay yung darkest purple shade ng palette. And for it to look glam, you can drag the color out. Just like what I am doing. And then after that, once you're happy with it, you can now go to the next color, which is Rockstar. Ayun naman yung purple color nung palette. And then after that, you can just mix the 2 colors together. Then go to the next shade, which is the red shade. Yun naman yung sparks. And then kung ano man yung natira dun sa brush nyo, you can use that to blend the color together with the other colors and the transition shade. You can now change the brush into this smaller brush. Then after that, we are going to go to the next palette as well, which is Arm and Gorgeous. And then we are going to get the orange color. Apply that orange color next to the red color.
Mix the two colors together. Make sure na pantay, guys. And then after that, once you're happy and satisfied, you can now go to the yellow shade, which is Access. We are now going to dip with the shimmer shade. Ayun yung gold shimmer shade na ginamit ko from the same palette. Yan yung Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner. And then, to start it off, I drew a line upwards dun sa outer corner ng aking eyes. And then, nag-draw na rin ako ng line pababa para mag-connect all the way down. Medyo kinakabahan ako, guys, while doing it. Kasi gusto ko talaga magpantay yung dalawa. Ang hirap naman hindi pantay eyeliner, guys, diba?
Okay lang ba? Oh my gosh. Like, hindi makita. Is it even? Yeah. We'll just stop there. And then, dilinisin na natin yung mga fallouts dito sa baba. Micellar water to clean para mas maging sharp. And then, I am going to get, it's either cotton pads or cotton bud. So, ito nga. And then, titiklopin ko siya. And then we have this. And then after this, we are going to put some lashes. So, these are the lashes that I used. So, this one, ayan siya. Medyo wispy siya tignan. Pero ang ganda niya. Excited na ikabit. Anyway. So, yung lash glue ko naman is from Duo. Yan. Duo. Put it there. Press it together. So, ito na siya. So, yan na siya. This is how it looks like. Mas naging dramatic siya. Hindi pa tayo tapos dyan because maglalagay pa tayo ng color sa baba. Dahil sinabi ko nga before, nung gusto na yung powder ko, bumili ako ng powder. And yun, as usual, Maybelline FIT ME yung binili ko. And then, ang shade niya ay 235 Pure Beige. It looks like this. When you open it, ganyan. Oopsie, meron muna. Ayan. Ganyan siya. And then, pag inangat niya pa ito, meron siyang salamin. Sobrang ganda ng salamin niya. Ayan. And then, yun nga. Ito, hindi ko siya ginamit ngayon. So, para mas maganda yung finish tignan, I'm going to use a brush. A fluffy brush like this. Sobrang lambot niya. This brush is from complexion set dun sa MORPHE. Ganyan lang. And then, dab-dab mo lang sa face mo. Di ba ang ganda niya? Para nawala na yung pagka-oil ng face ko kanina. Hindi ako naglagay ng any primer sa face. Straight away, dito na tayo sa powder. And then, same blush on as ever. Sobrang ganda. NYX Sweet Chicks Blush Palette. And I'm going to get another brush. Angled brush like this. Usually, I use it for the contour. But, I can also use it for this. So, I'm going to use this one first. So, pag nagbablush ako, nag-smirk ako. Smirk ba yun? Ganang ganyan. Pataas. I'm gonna put here on my nose and on my chin. And then, I am going to use these two colors. Combine natin siya. Pwedeng tatlo na. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Dito naman siya sa taas. I'll try to connect it with the eyes a bit. Medyo connect ko siya dito sa eyes again. So, for today, hindi ako magko-contour. Diyan lang siya. Yan lang gagawin natin. Very simple. And then, yan siya. After that, I'm not done yet because I'm going to put colors here sa bottom part naman ng eyes. I'm still going to use the same palette na ginamit ko kanina, but yeah. And same brushes as well. So remember, I started with the dark color here. And try to connect it with the shadow on top. Be careful not to poke your eyes. And then after that, dito na tayo sa Rockstar. Rockstar naman. Yung purple shade. And then after the purple shade, dito tayo sa red shade, which is Sparks. Dito tayo sa isang palette. And then we're going to get the smaller brush. Same process. Dito tayo sa Secure, which is the orangey shade. And then last but not the least, yung yellow shade. So anyway, yun na nga, pupunta tayo sa lips. And ang ginamit ko dito, I guess, is yung from Kylie Cosmetics Coco K. But yeah, let's see. But I guess I'm gonna change it now. Siguro magbabutter or ano na lang ako, guys. Mag-lip tint ng line shade. Ang gagamitin kong lip tint for today is again from KJM Cosmetics in the shade Girl Talk. Yan, ang gagamitin natin today. Yeah! And then, to finish it up, of course, para mas maganda yung pag-melt ng makeup, we're gonna spray some MAC Prep and Prime. Fan mo lang hanggang mag-melt siya, girl. Wait lang. So, the mascara that I'll be using is this They're Real from Benefit. Ayan. This ends our video, everyone. So, sana nagustuhan niyo itong look na ginawa ko. Don't forget to follow me in my social media accounts. So, for Facebook, it is Patricia Policarpio. And then for my Instagram, it's @PatsPolly. And again, thank you, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you again on my next video. Bye!